Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're in beautiful Rancho Cordova, California, Tony. Where we fuck you at? We're gonna go hit up the CMI event right now. See what's out there for this upcoming season. See how hard we have to come out, because these fools are probably gonna come out super fucking hard. Keep you tuned. We'll give you guys a little laps on our way there. And like we said, let us know what you guys want to see. We just had a show now, so.
Alright guys, going to CMI.
Launch on you guys right quick.
See what this GMC Sierra got. Okay. Big of a right.
Still early though.
Yeah. Shit ton of Hondas.
Hella fucking Hondas, huh?
Yeah.
Look at the AK. The EK coupe though. Where's that for? Damn, look at that clean ass M4.
He's ready to race.
Yeah, he's ready, man. Let's just go up. We're gonna come and chill. Yeah, put him like a thing. Good one.
Street fighter could also be street power. One hit the same. I'm just Whoa!
Damn.
Alright fellas, so check it out. We got this side mocked up. We tacked more or less where we want it. We still need to finish one last bend and get our angle right. We're gonna cut a little pie to fit it in. Once we finish that, we're gonna show you this side and we're just gonna repeat it on the other side. Show you guys the finished product. Coming out good though. Okay, so we got this one installed, so we're just trying to finish this one up before we put another update. We have more or less what we're trying to get. We cut our angle to fit right there. So our muffler is gonna be pulled out, it slides in. You see our angle fits right there. So gonna put a union right there so we could get it all set up. But yeah, we'll give you guys a light slide update once we finish this. Finish welding it up, and yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, we just finished the installing the mufflers. Looking pretty crispy. We gotta make custom hangers. No big deal. We're gonna do a little cold start, see how it sounds. Go for it, Tony. Nice aggressive sound.
Yep. Sounding nice, good tone.
Hell yeah.
Deep tone, none of that racer sparky tone.
Hell yeah. Damn, Tony, what are you doing?
Sanding my new front bumper.
All right, guys. Again, thank you for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends if you like the videos. If not, tell us in the comments. This exhaust is looking fire. Tony's getting ready for the summer, coming out with that gang shit, and I'm just over here watching YouTube videos about cars. All right, take it easy, bro.
Nigga wanna see me fall. Stephen Curry, how I ball. Gosha garments and a white 3 on my body. I'm an icon.